Hey there, Burger Buddies. Yeah, is the Woo Dog here in the chat? That's what, Woo Dog's here? He said I could come over and take a shower anytime over at his place over there, even though it's pretty early in the morning there, or late at night, however you want to look at it. Maybe I should do my best bit, huh? Yeah, the Shadow Man. Oh, okay. Hey, Woo Dog. Well, it was a long time ago, far, far away in a distant land. It was the Shadow Man. He was just a young, up-and-coming vlogger. He was coming forward here. Little did he know, the awesome Woo was in his chat. Woo Dog and the Shadow Man cat, roaming the mean streets of the Hollywood Boulevard, West L.A. Yeah. Whoa! Hey, wait a minute. Wait, turn your lights on, quick. Who are you? He's interrupting my show, boys. You're not Woo Dog. What?
Sorry to interrupt you there, Burger. No, I'm not a Woo. I'm Lou Dog. Oh yeah, you're totally awesome there. Yeah, right. Oh yeah, you're all right. You'll be okay.
All right there, Burger Buddies. God, I don't know what's going on. I think the old man's trying to trigger me or something here. I don't know who this guy is. I thought it was the Woo in my chat, but it's some guy named Lou. He's whatever. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Whatever. Oh man.